Alright guys, this is the vending machine in Far Rockaway, Queens. First time seeing one of these. Let's find out what we've got here. Narcan. We've got Narcan, fentanyl test strips, hygiene kit with tampons, soap, deodorant, comb, toothpaste, toothbrush, sunscreen, towel, mask, and tampons. Syringe exchange program. Fentanyl test strips for the disposal of used syringes. Safe disposals, sharp shaft. Wound care kit, gloves, band-aid, large band-aid. Maybe this is for, somebody gets shot. Safer injection kit, safer sex kit, which includes 10 male condoms and lubricant. More Narcan for overdoses. A tourniquet in case you get shot. Feminine kit with pads. There you go. How do you get this? Enter ID and press number or scan to begin. So I really don't know how this works. I don't see any prices, so I assume it's free. Far Rockaway, Queens. A block from where the officer was shot today.